Hello student, today I brought a video on the topic isotopes of hydrogen. There are three isotopes of hydrogen we discussed about. It belongs to the chapter 9 hydrogen of chemistry class 11. There are three isotopes of hydrogen. First of one is protium, which contains only one proton and one electron. It is the natural hydrogen. Next is the deuterium. Deuterium contains one proton and one neutron in the nucleus and the one electron revolving around the nucleus. And third one is tritium. It is called. It has the two neutrons and one protons. There are two neutrons here and one proton in the outermost shell and one electron revolving around. Now, the symbol of hydrogen is like that. Protium is here 1 and 1. It is the protium. Deuterium is here 2 and 1. And tritium is here 3 and 1. Here, just given here. Number of electrons in protium is protium is 1. And here, number of proton is 1. Number of neutrons is 0. That the mass number of the protium is 1 and atomic number of protein is also 1. Now look here, deuterium, in the case of deuterium, it possesses 1 electrons, 1 proton and 1 neutron. So the mass number of deuterium is 2. And the tritium, in the case of tritium, it contains 1 electron, 1 proton and 2 neutron. Therefore, the sum of the nucleons here, 2 neutron plus 1 proton, that is become 3. So the mass number of tritium is 3 and the atomic number in the both cases, in the three cases, atomic number protium, atomic number of deuterium, atomic number of tritium, both are 1. But their mass number are different. Now we know that the isotopes are the atoms of same element having same atomic number but different mass number due to the different number of neutrons present in their nucleus. That is the isotopes and protium, deuterium and tritium. Now I am going to discuss about what is the protium of hydrogen. It is represented by the symbol H. Its atomic number is 1 and the mass number is also 1. It has 1 proton, no neutron in its nucleus and 1 electron in its orbital. And naturally occurring hydrogen contains 99.985%. It is the maximum amount of hydrogen available in the form of protium. And very tracing amount of deuterium and tritium is found. Now here, next is here deuterium. The deuterium symbol is 2 and 1. It is written as 2 like that. H symbol is actually hydrogen, protium and deuterium both are written as H. Here 2 is the mass number, 1 is also written as D also, deuterium for the D also. But is the appropriate symbol is H, 2 here the mass number, 1 is the atomic. It has mass number is 2. It has 1 protons and 1 neutrons in its nucleus and 1 electron in its orbital, one s orbital. Naturally occurring hydrogen has here deuterium has 0.03% of the isotopes, mostly in the form of Hd. Hydrogen plus protium plus deuterium in the form of protium and deuterium Hd. Now tritium stands for the another types of isotopes of hydrogen and the symbol is as symbol T or tritium for T or S31. It is the symbol of tritium, S31. Its nucleus has 1 proton and 2 neutrons. Number of nucleons is 3, so nucleons is 3, so it is atomic number, mass number is 3, and therefore 1 electron, and there is 1 electron is S1 orbital. It is the extremely rare isotopes. It is not found everywhere. It is very rare. Out of 10 to the 17 molecules of ordinary hydrogen, there is just one molecule of deuterium. You can imagine that if you get the 10 to the power 17 naturally occurring element at the protium, we get only one tritium. So it is a very tracing amount, very few amount present in nature. Now it is also this site of hydrogen isotope. Tritium is an electroreactive due to the heavy molecule, heavy nucleus. It is radioactive, and nature emits low alpha particles like that. The half life cycle is a half life year is here 12.33 year. Now it will be noted that the three isotopes of hydrogen have same chemical property. Because they have same atomic number, so they must have same chemical property, because they have same electronic configuration and same atomic number. However, due to the different mass number, they have different rates of chemical reaction. When they combine, react with another substance, the rate of reaction different. Hydrogen protium react more fastly, and deuterium again slower than the protium, and tritium is most slower than the least slow is the least of the rate of chemical reaction. For reaction between the protium and chlorine, protium chloride is 4 times faster than that of the between the deuterium and the chlorine. When the deuterium and chlorine combine, and the protium and chlorine combine, the rate of the reaction of the case of protium is 13.4 times faster than the case of the deuterium. Similarly, electrolysis of ordinary water H2O occurs more rapidly than that of the heavy water, that is the deuterium. D2O is the heavy water, H2O is the protium water. Difference in property arising due to the difference in mass number is referred as the isotopic effect. That is, due to the isotopic effect, deuterium's rate of reaction of protium is faster and the fastest, and rate of reaction deuterium is the intermediate, and the rate of reaction of tritium is a very slow, that is the least, due to their different mass number. Now here, bond dissociation energy of protium and the deuterium is responsible for the rate of reaction. The bond dissociation energy for the protium and the deuterium is responsible for the rate of reaction. Now what is the bond dissociation energy? The amount of energy required to break the bond present between the atom is called the bond dissociation energy. Now hydrogen had the three isotopes, namely protium, that is the S, deuterium D, and tritium T. Now among the three isotopes of hydrogen, S2 and D2 are the element in which the hydrogen is composed of the two hydrogen atoms, whereas D2 is also composed of the two deuterium atoms. Now here, the bond dissociation energy for hydrogen, the atom is 435.90, and the deuterium is 443.40. That is the difference due to the bond dissociation energy. That's why deuterium is rate of chemical reaction deuterium slower than the rate of reaction of protium. The bond dissociation energy D2 is higher than the protium. That's why protium is more reactive than the deuterium due to the bond dissociation energy, because the more energy required to break the bond in the protium, diprotium, that is the dihydrogen, that is the two protium, and it is very less as compared to the bond between the deuterium atom. That's why the rate of reaction is differ due to the bond dissociation energy of protium and deuterium. Okay, student, next video we discuss about the preparation of the laboratory preparation of the hydrogen and the commercial preparation hydrogen. Okay, thank you.